beat.
What's up, guys? This your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, and I'm back with another video. Man, as y'all already know, we're in the second week of the new year, guys, and wish everybody, man, have a nice year, guys. But with that being said, man, if you're new to the channel, just watching the videos, I appreciate if you drop down below, comment, like, and subscribe to the channel, man. But for right now, guys, man, I want to talk about what I've been going through with this here truck, man. For the past couple of days, guys, you know, I've been coming out and I've been turning my key into this truck, and I've been having a no start, no click, no sound. I don't know what the problem is. You know, I got on the internet, guys. I done try to narrow it down. Internet told me that it possibly could be a problem with the battery. Like the vehicle is something they say, like the vehicle is requiring more juice than the battery is actually putting out. Now, I don't know, man, but for the past couple of nights, it has kind of been a little cool, but I have a brand new battery, man. So I don't know if the cells are dying in this here battery or anything like that, guys, but man, it actually left your boy just sitting at the gas station, man, for like damn near an hour, man. And hey, I seen a lot of you guys in them Tahoes, man. And hey, if y'all know that was me and y'all watch my channel, man, y'all could have pulled up like, what's happening, Big Smurf, you feel me? But man,
somebody did try to look out.
But you know, like I said, guys, I sat out there all night, man. Not all night. I sat out there maybe 45 minutes, you know, trying to figure out what it could be, what it was, man. I done checked all my fuse and all my readings. But yeah, guys, like I was saying, man, I sat in the truck, man, for like 45 minutes, trying to narrow it down. As y'all can hear, man, I got the truck running right now. I actually brought one of my neighbors to the bank real quick. But yeah, man, as y'all can hear in the background, I currently have the truck running right now, guys. Don't want to turn it off, man. But like I said, yeah, I stayed out there pretty much 45 minutes, man. Checked my battery cables and things like that, man. My battery cables was tight. It just was a little headache, man. Y'all know, bro, I've been putting a lot of little, you know, I've been throwing a lot of little coins into this truck lately. And that was kind of was shocking for me, you know, to actually experience that there. But in all honesty, man, like I said, you know, I don't know what the problem could have been. I jumped in my truck and yeah, like I said, man, I checked all my relays, guys. Y'all gotta bear with me, but I checked all my relays, guys. I even was trying to get a jump, man. When I was getting a jump, it still was doing the same thing. No click, no start, no nothing. And like I said, I went to thinking it was my starter, you know. So y'all know the old school thing, man. I slid up underneath the truck and tapped on my starter. I checked my starter wires and things of that nature, man. See if there was either corroded or loose or things like that, man. And everything checked out fine. So then, you know, from there, it kind of let me know my starter was, you know, pretty much okay. My cylinders and everything was cool. So from then, guys, I went to thinking, well, man, maybe my computer just tripping on me, guys, you know. But I don't know, I don't see why it could have a reason to actually trip out. But I do know, narrowing down the problems, where it's saying nothing, you know. I was either thinking maybe it could be my computer, actually my ignition. But like I said, man, I'm still undecided. I haven't narrowed it down fully yet, guys. What I did was I unplugged my amp because the internet was saying that the battery was asking for, you know, power that the truck was asking for power that I really didn't have or anything like that. So I just thought, man, I unplugged my amp taped that wire up, and I actually gave it a shot. It did the same thing. But shortly right after, I turned it again, and guys, man, she fired up. I was able to make it home, and that's all that really mattered last night, was me making it home. You know, like, man, I refused to leave my truck anywhere. You know what I'm saying? And I know a couple of y'all out there might feel the same as well. A couple of y'all might not. You know, but for what I've been doing and things of that nature, man, I'm in Texas, guys. They like trucks out here, you know, and they will steal your truck out here, you know. And I just didn't want to go through that, man. So I was willing to actually stay with my truck, call the tow truck, whatever it was, guys. And just mind you, I wasn't even much a mile away from my house. I just was around the corner at the local gas station. But you know, I'm thankful that I was able to get the truck started and was able to make it home, you know. But this is the following morning. This is the following day, guys. And like I said, I came outside today. Actually, I tried to do a remote start. I actually tried to remote start it, guys, and I heard nothing. So I was like, damn, man, this truck doing this shit again. But I come outside, stick my key in it, and I twist it, and she fired up. So now I'm under the impression, man, I don't know if I'm just dealing with a power issue. I don't know if my ignition, it just slowly just wearing out. You know, the guys, y'all already know these keys doesn't have a chip in them. So, you know, it can be easy for the ignition just to wear out over the course of time. But I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed. I'm gonna keep that amp unhooked for probably the rest of this here week, guys. And you know, like I said, when I do go places, I'm gonna keep it on. I sit in the truck. You know, wifey can go in the store and things of that nature. I sit in the truck, burn a couple of dollars in gas. You know, just to assure that, you know, we won't be in the parking lot, man, going through what I went through last night, guys, because that was unexpectedly for once. And man, and I wasn't prepared for it, most of all, you feel me? So with that being said, man, I'm gonna finish this video in a second.
You're fine, man.
So y'all stay tuned for that.
1 hour later.
Man, but yeah, guys, like I said, yeah, man, totally left your boy just stuck, man. But yeah, bro, any one of y'all ever dealt with one of them problems, man, y'all feel free to jump down into the comments, man. Leave me a comment, let me know what direction that I need to be looking in. We just made it back to the crib, guys. Man, y'all stay tuned, man. I got so much video coming for y'all, guys. Hey, the love is real, guys, man. I appreciate everybody, man, who been subscribing to the channel, guys. Man, y'all already know, you know, I couldn't be nowhere, man. Had none of this shit done without now one of you guys, man. And I sure appreciate you guys. I want to do like a giveaway, and I know I've been saying that, man, but I just have to narrow it down, guys. And look, we're going to keep it a little bit real. You know, all the things that I've been doing, man, to the whip and just in general, guys, you know, just to let y'all know, man, I've been doing that out of my own pocket, guys. You know what I mean? I make a little something from YouTube, guys, but, you know, it's not enough to do what I've been doing, you know. So for those that want to know why my content kind of like slowed down a little bit, it's because, guys, man, it's been coming out of my pocket, 100% out of my pocket. But in return, man, if you guys watch the videos, man, y'all don't even have to watch the videos. Y'all could pull it up on the phone, guys, and put your phone down and come back in 10 minutes. It's simple. But like I'm saying, man, y'all help me, help y'all, help me. You feel me? It's a hand-in-hand situation, man. I make the content. you guys watch the content, you know it go hand in hand, man. And that's just what it is, man. But like I said, you know, I won't change none of this shit for the world, guys. I love what I do. I love what I've been doing for the last couple of years. I know I got so much ahead, man. So we just gonna keep it going, and that's what I need y'all to do. Like I say, guys, hold on. I'm gonna turn this camera around. But yep, we still got the long tubes right here. You know, we just had to get those put in. The bumper. You know, bumper sitting over there in my dining room. I'm gonna put that on for y'all this week, guys. But man, I would have had it on this week, but man, I just been running into these little uncommon problems. You know, it's always a problem, man, when you putting these vehicles together. So just to let y'all know that, man, you have to be like visionary, man, when you're doing these builds. You're gonna run into problems. You're gonna run into little bumps. You're gonna run into just about everything, man. You know, you're gonna run into a couple of bad shops along the way, and that's just what it is, guys. So, you know, you just gotta keep going, man. You're gonna keep going, and that's what it is, guys. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep growing. So y'all make sure that y'all smash that like button, man. Y'all leave me a comment. It helped my algorithm, guys. Y'all already know it helped the algorithm. Y'all make sure that y'all, hey, if you can't, watch some of them ads. You feel me? And also, man, we're going to bring the Tahoe Tuesday back to the channel, man. So for what I need for that, guys, if any one of y'all want to be a part of the Tahoe Tuesday, man, y'all can submit y'all photos and the video clips to me on IG, excuse me, man, at the Wolf Stop. Submit them to me at IG, on my IG, at the Wolf Stop, guys. Yeah, make sure that you hold your camera sideways, and you can submit them to me there, and you know, we're gonna pick it back up where we left off at, guys. But I just wanted to make this a little short video, man. I know it's been long overdue. A couple of y'all been wondering, man, where y'all been. Y'all can see me, man. I ain't no shave or nothing. But yeah, that's just what it is right now, man. Yeah, just trying to narrow it down. Once we narrow it down, you know, we back in full effect. So so y'all stay tuned. You know what I mean? And yeah, we be back up and running, guys. You know, and y'all already know, man. The only way we going is up. Positive lives spread positive vibes, guys. So for the 2023, you feel what I'm saying, man? We just gonna keep it doing what we doing. We're gonna keep growing the channel, man. You guys make sure that y'all follow me on IG at the Wolf Stop. I don't do too much Facebook. But y'all make sure y'all check me out on TikTok as well at the Wolf Stop, man. Y'all go follow that, man. I'm just getting into the TikTok gang, you feel me? So y'all follow that, man. Y'all run it up. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, guys, man, we get back at y'all in a couple of days, man. You know, we'll be putting that bump on, man. You know, I want to see the look. So that's what we'll be doing, man. I would have did it today, guys, but I'm just saying in the spirit right now, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. And if you, like I said, if you're new to the channel, just watching the videos, God, I appreciate it if you drop down below. Make sure that you comment, like, and most definitely subscribe. Rock out with your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, man. But we logging on and signing out. Man, y'all already know positive lives, spread positive vibes, guys. So until the next video, we gonna see y'all again. Peace.